Listen close as we tell you the epic tale of the peasant and the prince.
Oh, Henry, the king is going to kill me.
Well, why do you say that?
4 of his prize sheep got killed by a wolf last night while I was asleep. I don't know what he's going to do to me. Throw me in prison? Give me a lashing? Or worse, send me to the gallows?
Or maybe not. I'm sure you have a good excuse for being asleep on your watch.
Well, no, not really. I guess I could come up with one, but... Oh, the king is going to be so angry.
You may now enter the king's court.
Hello, Prince. What are you doing at the king's court today? I thought you were with the army in the Northern Kingdom.
Well, I sent in a raiding party without the king's consent, and because of my pride, I've lost 150 men. I know my father, the king, is not pleased. He gave me specific instructions, and I did not listen. I have come to ask for his forgiveness and seek his counsel. He's very merciful and always showing his love, even when I do wrong.
Yes, your father is a good man. Remember how he treated your brother Prince William when he left home and spent his entire inheritance?
Yes, I know my father, the king, is good. I know he will forgive me and give me the answers I am looking for.
You may now enter the king's court.